Hey y'all, welcome back to Van Products How To. Today we're going to be showing you how to operate and troubleshoot a side entry BraunAbility folding wheelchair ramp. To engage the ramp, you can see you hit on the key fob the button for the door to open. This will open the door and unfold the ramp, engaging the ramp system. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, this button may vary in location and how many times you hit it. Now that you can see the ramp has unfolded, you are safe to enter the vehicle. Upon entering, wow, look at all that room. You can see there's a button located right next to the door. This will fold up the ramp and shut the door for the user. Each vehicle is equipped with different buttons that can open and close the door. This vehicle has two. To re-engage the ramp, you can hit one of the buttons, the door will open, and the ramp system will engage, unfolding down for the user to use. Once it's been unfolded, you are safe to exit the vehicle. To shut the door, you can hit the same button that you used to open it. This will fold the ramp, engaging the system, and shut the door for the user. When looking at troubleshooting, some vehicles have child locks. The Chryslers are located right here. If the child lock is on, the door will not open. If the child lock was not an issue and there may be a system failure or a battery failure, you'll have to manually open the ramp. You can open the door like so, and as you can see there's a handle there for you to grab. You can manually pull it out and the user can exit the vehicle. To put the ramp back in, you can fold it up just like so. It's very easy to push in and very secure. Then you can shut the door. What's good about these as well is if the user is trapped inside the vehicle, they can hit the ramp with their wheelchair. Here I used my boot. This will push the ramp down and allow the user to safely exit the vehicle, though they may not be able to fold it up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and this was the BraunAbility fold up wheelchair ramp. Make sure you like and subscribe.